Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing. Sit calm for 5 minutes, feet flat, back supported. This stabilizes blood pressure, so readings are meaningful. Remove tight clothing and choose the correct cuff size. An incorrect cuff gives wrong numbers. Once done, turn the doctor. Morepen Monitor on and select the user profile if it has one. Wait for the display to show 0 or ready. This first step matters, because positioning and device readiness remove common measurement errors before you apply the cuff. You now fit the cuff. Slide it 2 to 3 cm above the elbow crease and align the artery marker with the brachial artery. This ensures pulse transmission and accurate pressure capture. Make sure your arm rests relaxed at heart level on a table. If it's lower or higher, readings shift. Press start and stay completely still. The monitor inflates and deflates to calculate systolic, diastolic, and pulse. After the cycle, wait a minute before repeating if you plan multiple readings to get consistent values. You finish by recording the numbers. Write systolic, diastolic, and pulse plus the time and which arm you used. Patterns matter more than a single reading. Interpret results against your target range, and if values are consistently elevated or low, contact your healthcare provider. If the monitor shows an error or odd waveform, check cuff fit and placement, ensure batteries are charged, and repeat after 2 minutes. These fixes resolve most issues, because loose cuffs or low power commonly cause false readings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.